Take time to appreciate the little things in life. Take a seat and enjoy the moment with Cymraeg Hits. Laugh out loud.
You have no idea. The death and destruction in my country. Famine. Children dying dozens every day. And do you know why? Because America's friends are starving them. Ripping them apart with American bombs.
Have a good cry. No, it's not.
We know what you told us was the truth, Katie. That's what's important.
But her lawyer knew all those things. I can't believe Mom told her.
You should be proud of what you did, Katie. Your mother's lawyer was very hard on you.
13.
Be inspired.
3. 6.
Right.
10, 13.
Nope.
10, 15.
You got it.
Yes!
Dean, tell them about this.
Get entertained.
Throw down the line, help a poor boy who's drowning in the stormy sea.
Know what's
John
latest?
Oliver joins us live from Baghdad.
Explore relentless possibilities with classic and fresh entertainment.